morning. Moving further towards the next topic, that is increase or decrease in percentage. Right? Now what we are going to do? We are going to find the percentage in the form of increase and decrease in the quantities. Right? For example, કોઈ ક્વોન્ટિટીમાં એમાઉન્ટ વધે છે તો કેટલા percentage amount વધ્યું? કોઈ ક્વોન્ટિટીમાં amount fall down means it decreases, then how many percentage it will decreases? That we have to find. Right? If I give you a simple example, your pocket money is 500 rupees this month. Next month your father gave you 700 rupees pocket money. So here what happened? Your pocket money increases from 500 to 700 rupees. So how many rupees increase in the pocket money? 200. So that is the increase amount. That 200 is your increase amount. Right now? Here you immediately say that, sir, my pocket money increases by 200 rupees. Means a quantity. 200 rupees much tamaru increase થયું છે. But how much percentage? How much percentage? That we are going to learn. Okay, if certain quantity increases, then it increases by how many percentage? If certain quantity decreases, बहुत धमाल मस्ती करी, तुम्हारी पॉकेट मनी 500 थी 200 रुपीस થઈ ગઈ. તો અહીંયા શું થયું? Decrease in your pocket money. How many? 300 rupees. So here decrease amount is there. સમજ પડે છે? એટલે કોઈ ક્વોન્ટિટી વધે, કોઈ ક્વોન્ટિટી ઘટે, પણ કેટલા percentage, how many percentage it will rise, how many percentage it will fall down, that we are going to find. And for that, the formula, that is increase in percentage, that is equal to change in a quantity. Change in quantity means what? It may be rupees, it may be kg, it may be gram, it may be kilometer, it may be lakh, it may be crore, any of the quantity upon original quantity. What was your original pocket money? 500 rupees. And it rises to? 700. So what will be the change in amount? 200. 200 what is that? So here 200 upon 500 multiplied. Simplest sum is that. Just you have to identify that among this, which is the given quantity, means original quantity, and what will be the rise or what will be the decrement of that quantity. Same formula, decrease in percentage is equal to change in quantity, means whatever amount may be, decrease થયું હશે, upon original quantity multiplied by 100. Multiply by 100. Let's see. A school team won 6 games. How many games? 6 games. This year against 4 games. Against કેટલી game? 4 games. समझ पड़े? Won last year. What is the percentage in increase? ગયા વર્ષે last year I won 4 matches. This year I won 6 matches. So is there any change in the quantity? Yes. From 4 I reached to 6. So what will be my original quantity? 4. What will be my original quantity? समझ पड़े? Right? So original number of wins. Original number of wins. Starting માં કેટલી જીતેલી? 4. Is there any change?
Yes.
Huh? So change in numbers of wins, that is equal to, right, 6 minus 4. Change કેટલો change થયો? ખાલી 2 નો change થયો કે 6 નો change નથી થયો, right? So how can I identify the change in quantity? That is winning this year minus winning last year, so that will be 2. બરાબર ને? 2 wins આપણે જીતી ગયા, right? Therefore what we have to find? Increase in percentage is equal to change in numbers of win. સમજ પડી કે? change in number of win કેટલો change થયો તે upon original number of wins multiplied by 100. So that will be, chalo, what will your change in wins? 2 upon original 4 multiplied by 100. 4 ones are 4, so that will be 50%. તમારું winning કેટલું increase થઈ ગયું? 50% increase થયું. ગયા વર્ષ કરતા આ પેઢી મારું ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ કેટલું થયું? 50%. સમજ પડી? એટલે આની અંદરથી પહેલા તમારે શું પ્રેડિક્ટ કરવાનું હશે? ધ ઓરિજિનલ ક્વોન્ટિટી. એના માટે આ બધા વર્ડ્સ બહુ કામ લાગશે. લાસ્ટ યર એટલે મારી ઓરિજિનલ ક્વોન્ટિટી તો 4 હતી ને અત્યારે હું જીતી 2. એટલે કેટલાનો ચેન્જ આવ્યો? 2 નો, and that will be my sum. Are you getting? The number of illiterate person in a country decreases. શું થાય છે અહીંયા? Decreases from 150 lakh to 100 lakh. કેટલું હતું? 150. તારી કબડીને કાં આવ્યો? 100. So what is my original? 150. સમજ પડી? ઓરિજિનલ બની ગયું ને, રાઈટ? ચાલો, સો ઓરિજિનલ ક્વોન્ટિટી કેટલી? ઓરિજિનલ ક્વોન્ટિટી 150 lakhs, right? Change in quantity. ચાલો, change in quantity કેવી રીતે ચેન્જ થાય છે? From 150 it reduces to 100, so that will be 50 lakhs. અહીંયા સુધી કેટલા સમજ પડી? ક્લિયર થયો? Now here which word is expressed? Decrease. So what will you use? Second formula. So decrease in percent is equal to, શું આવશે? change in quantity upon original quantity. चलो, change in quantity 50 lakhs. Original multiplied by 100. चलो, lakh तो निकली गयो, एक जीरो भी कैंसिल થઈ ગયો, राइट? चलो, 5 3s are 5 10s are, so that is equal to 100. 10 10s are 100 upon 3. 100 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 0. 3 3s are 9. 1.0. 3 3s are 9 1. So that will be 33.3%. એટલે લિટરસી કેટલી ડાઉન થઈ ગઈ મારી 33.3%. ક્લિયર થાય છે, રાઈટ? તો નેક્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ, salary of Mr. Patel increases from rupees 18,000 to 21,000. Find increase in percentage. So here, what will be the original salary? Original salary is
18,000.
very good. 18,000 rupees. Now what happened? The salary increases. Means change in salary. Change in salary. That is equal to become 21,000 minus 18,000. So that will be 3,000 rupees. So what is change in salary? 3,000 rupees. Now that we have to convert into percentage. Now percentage of increase in percent is equal to change in salary, that is amount, upon original salary, or we can say original amount, multiplied by 100. So that is equal to, what is change in salary?
3,000.
Upon what will be the original?
18,000.
Multiply by
100.
0 0 cancel, 1 0 અહીંયા cancel થશે. ચાલો 3 6 are ને 3 hundreds are 2 3s are 2 50s are. So that will be 50 upon 3. So 50 divided by 3. 3 ones are
3.
how many remains? Bring down. 3 6 are how many remains? Point. 3 6 are 18. So that will be 16.6%. એટલે કેટલું રાઈઝ આપ્યું હોય ને? 16.6% રાઈઝ આપ્યું. સમજ પડે? ચાલો સેકન્ડ વન. Weight of Mr. Desai decreases from 80 kg to 65 kg. So what will be the original weight?
80.
Original weight,
80.
that is equal to 80 kg. Change in weight. Change in weight. That is 80 minus 75.
65.
Sorry, 80 minus 65. So that will be 15. કેટલું? 15 kg. 15 kg ઘટી ગયું. So decrease in weight. Decrease of weight in percentage is equal to change in weight. બરાબર ને? Upon original weight multiplied by 100. What is change in weight? 15. What is original weight? 80. Multiplied by 0 0 cancel. 2 4s are 2 5s are 15 5s are upon 4. So 75 divided by 4. 4 ones are how many remains? Bring down. 4 8s are 32. How many remains? 0. 4 7s are 28. How many remains? 0. 4 5s are. So that is 18.75%. કેટલું ડિક્રીઝ કર્યું? 18.75. સમજ પડી? Right? So now try this.
167.
Page 167. ત્રણ સમ છે. Right? You can do it by yourself.